we snuck up in here. The water hole's back here now, and we come up in here a little bit to get out of that wind because it really kind of messes with you. But the bull's bugling. He's actually getting closer already, so we're going to sit underneath the shadows of this little pine tree here. And we got some good shooting lanes, so hopefully I'll get a shot at him right out here, about 30 yards. Perry's going to range him for me when he comes, so I won't have to worry about that. But he's already bugling and coming this way towards Waterhole. Kind of the tough spot. I can see him up there. He's about 100 yards. He's walking this way. That's him. Here he comes. Here he comes, Mike. Don't move. I'm going to turn. I don't have him yet. How far is he? He's going, he's looking left. What do you think, P? Think I got him?
Yeah,
I think I got him too.
A little far back.
Yeah, a little bit, but I think I got some long. How come you're shaking? I'm not shaking, it's you. Good job, man. You got him?
Yeah, we got him.
Where at?
He's right up here.
Sweet, we got him.
Yeah. On the shoulder. He's heavy beast.
He's a stud. Woo! Yeah! Look at that. That's sweet, fellas.
I'll be darned.
He's locked up like a Brinks truck. Look at that.
On the video, didn't it? That's
Yeah.
why. That's what I saw.
He's nice.
That's why I was scared.
He is cool. I'm happy. Tell you that.
I'm happy too.
Took us a few days to
That's
get him.
awesome.
This is great.
Took us a few days to get him,
4 days.
but we got him. Boy, is he pretty. He looks so awesome coming through the trees.
Look at how the brown
Just-
is really heavy.
Just see his legs coming, and man, he come right out in there. I was afraid he wasn't going to make it through that thick
He
stuff.
thought he was the bull of the woods, didn't he?
Oh man, thank you, Perry.
Oh, you're welcome.
Ripping and tearing.
Thanks a lot, man.
He was a
I'm
screaming.
so
He
pumped.
bugled from 3 o'clock till he died.